Hi, in this video you are going to learn how to generate the QR code for the images. Okay, so open a Chrome browser and type google.com. So now I need to download I need to generate the QR code for Taj Mahal image. Okay, so now I will type as a Taj Mahal over here.
Here's what I found on the web.
And I will click the images option over here. Okay, so you got the lot of images over here. So I feel to generate the QR code for this image. Okay, so let me click on this image. Okay, you can see the image over here. So right click this option for this image and you can see the option here, create QR code for this image. Okay, click on this option. Okay, you can see the QR code for this Taj Mahal image. Okay, and also if you want you can download this one. And open that QR code file. Okay, so now you can use any QR code scanner from mobile and you can scan this QR code to get the Taj Mahal image. Thank you for watching the video. Please see description for more videos and please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.